I mean, this time we brought a new range that we haven't done before. Those are the replacement of the mirrors in the construction machines and also in the buses. So this is complete set that we are showcasing right now as an example. And we are also offering 360 degrees bird view with this system. So that's the very recent and new project that we are showcasing first time in an exhibition. And also following it, we brought our standard products, usual products, with some improvements, joysticks as usual. But we have also right now added new push buttons with the higher ingress protection level. And besides that, we have also improved our HMIs by adding touch functions on it. So now our HMIs can work with the touch function. Before we didn't have it. And in addition to our 4.3-inch HMIs and 7-inch HMIs, we have also added now 10-inch HMI and 12-inch HMI. And besides that, we brought here our control unit designed specifically for the scissor lift controls that we have developed for our American large manufacturer. And what we have thought will be very beneficial for manufacturers is that by combining radio and media functions in HMI, we might take out the radio from the machine component. So by using the new generation HMI, you don't need heavy radio. It will be like in a car player. You can control the radio, media center from your HMI. You might have hands-free phone calls. In addition to that, we are also having camera inputs. 4 camera inputs, you can have the surrounding view of places. So those are the new products that we have brought to Connect EXCON this year. I mean, keypads is very well appreciated among manufacturers because it's bringing many advantages. First of all, it's replacing many car link switches. By replacing the car link switches, it brings also ingress protection, long life cycles, and also CAN communication. Besides that, we are offering with the various shapes, various numbers, and various colors. And we are developing new sizes, new shapes with the new customers. As I said, it's very good. And talking about the mining industry, Makersan is one of the companies who is very ready for that industry because most of the products we are offering have at least ingress protection level of 67, and most of them has 69 ingress protection, which means that we are already ready for being used in the mining applications. Construction market is doing very good with Makersan. Also, agriculture market is doing very good. Harvesters, tractors. We have a good collaboration with the large manufacturers in India, and we are bringing new products, offering them savings and also operational ease. That's why we are being. And another thing that I have to add, recently we have started providing engineering service from our Pune office. So besides field service application engineering assistance, now we are directly helping our customers from our office in Pune by our engineers, Indian engineers. So they speak the same language, they are in contact with them most of the time, and that has brought an ease for them for developing new products. And this has also helped us fuel our numbers of orders for our HMIs. I mean, I can talk about a case. One of our customers, they were using another company's HMI, and they failed at the EMC testing, and they had only one lot booked for that EMC testing, and they asked us to provide them an HMI. They asked that on, I guess it was on Thursday, and they have a booking slot for Friday. From Thursday evening until Friday morning, we have work on the HMI, we customized the HMI for the customer, and then we took the HMI with us and took plane, fly to Chennai, place on the machine with the application engineer, and pass successfully the test. This is one of our example how we are assisting our customers, and this way we are helping the growth of our customers, which in the return will help us to grow in India. We are looking forward for assembling in India, at least for starting, because India is offering very good hand works, labor capabilities. So we are looking forward assembling with the starting, and afterwards also manufacturing in India. The only thing is which is withholding us for assembling in India is the numbers of the orders. We hope by 2026 we will reach enough numbers to create a production line in India to start assembling. And by the time also we start producing some parts directly in India, because it's going to be very beneficial also for our competitiveness, and we will be also not be obliged to pay for the high import duties for Indian market. I mean, our advantage first, we are providing high quality products, very competitive prices, and we want to stand out with our services. We are besides the customers whenever they need it, and we customize the product according to the customer needs. So our goal is to make customer to feel that we are not a vendor, we are a supporter for them. We are always behind them, and any case, they should rely Makersan for any situation in the future. I mean, we want to be present on all sectors: buses, trucks, construction machines, mining machines, because we have solution for all of them, and we want to help them achieve also success in India. And Indian market is very important. The current economic situation, unfortunately, economy is not doing well worldwide. But in that world, only India is doing well because he has very good high population, very high demand, and very good growth. So we believe Indian market is going to be a major market for Makersan in the future.